Vlogtober, episode number 2. So at the record store, I found this Elvira LP, Vinyl Macabre, Oldies But Ghoulies. So pick this up for decor, but also just to listen to it. Got this at Manny Moonshine's Records. And then here's my 99-cent store haul. They have so many good decorations this year. I feel like they keep getting better and better. They're not just like, well, they are cheapy Halloween decorations, but they're getting cute. So here's everything that I got. I spent $25. Up, I got this Halloween napkin. I thought it was cute. It has like this orange harlequin print. And then I got these striped pumpkin pot holders. So these were $129, and there's 2 of them. It was $129 as well. I got some Halloween brush trees. This big one was $199. It's an orange tree and it has some ornaments. And then I got 2 of these little ombre brush trees. These were 99 cents each. They're like glittery AF. Get this cute little hand soap. It's almond honey scented, but I thought the bottle was so cute. This little black cat. And this one was $2.99. Got a Halloween mug. This is a little kind of like Frankenstein skull. $1.49. And then from their Halloween makeup, they had like a little Halloween makeup display. I got these eyeliners. It's a waterproof eyeliner pencil. I got a purple one and I got a blue one. I actually got some makeup from there. They also have a Dia de los Muertos makeup. This eyeliner is from there. And also like I got some glitter liner, and surprisingly it's really good. So if you guys have a chance to check out their Halloween makeup or their Dia de los Muertos makeup, it's actually really good. So try it. Then last but not least, this is what I went to the 99-cent only store with the intent of buying, and it's their Halloween pumpkins. I think this is the first time that they carry these, and it's a stackable, it's a 3-piece set of stackable pumpkins. This one was $9.99. It's 3 just plain orange pumpkins, but they also have black and white and like pumpkin colored pumpkins. Those are $14.99. So I saw these early on and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go back and get a pair. So I'm so excited to do these. They don't have faces, but what I'm gonna do is hand paint some, or I'm gonna look for decals, and then you can make them cute, you can make them spooky, like however you want. So I thought these were cool, and they were only $9.99. So that's everything that I got at the 99-cent store. Go check out your local 99-cent only stores. Oh, it's not 99 cents only anymore, but still some good deals to be found. I spent under $25 for all of this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and stay tuned for another Vlogtober episode tomorrow. See ya!